The name's Church, Alex Church. And today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a cop siren sound. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to go basics, Nico Super Saw. Call it this because it sounds like her singing voice. I'm just kidding, I like Nico. Now we go like this, ready? I'm gonna have to fuck this shit. Now it sounds like an overheating PlayStation. You're going to create an aux input track like this so you can do an effect on it. And essentially you're going to select sci-fi. And you're going to fucking... You're going to pick something high, baby. Like an A. Now you're going to select one of these things. Now, depth up. Change the rate. Laser tag. Jet turbine. Ambulance. And that's all you need to ever know in life. That'll get you so much further than a PhD, than a college education. If you can make a cop siren sound in Pro Tools, then. So yeah, peace out. I came when you needed me the most. I taught you what you needed to know. And good night.